Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll like to show to you the way how to share the link to invite your friends joining your group chat on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you're signed or logged in with your account. And after that, you don't need to go anywhere, because if you are just opening your Instagram for first time, you will be like directly stay in the home sections, and you just need to stay here for a bit longer. So whenever you are in home section, you just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be like two icons there. So there will be love, and the other one is like a bubble chat. So you just need to click the bubble chat. And in this section, now you just need to open the group chat that you have on your Instagram. And after that, you just need to take a look on this line. There will be like three options. First one is invitation link, member, and them. So to have a together invitation link, you just need to click this icon, and now you just need to copy, or you can also send in Instagram, or even you have an options to share through any applications that you have on your phone by go click this share button. But then if you want to copy the link only, just go click this copy, and you just need to open the other applications to send the link to your friends. You can use a Google Chat, Telegram, WhatsApp, or any applications that you use for communicating with your friend. So that is the way how to invite your friends into the Google Chat through link, invitation link. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.